have been built up, but they could not go to the education area, the academic area, to give them proper education. That is one thing I felt to share with all you. So we have to, yesterday also we had a discussion, we have to do something to that school. So we will see later, we will find out how best we can do it. Arun has a good experience in that case. Shashi was telling, bonding, what you have created now, it should be continue, should continue. Continue in sense, not like just coming and going. We should have also some aim at our this experience, like intern. After 62-63 years, after retirement and being in house, we have to do some social activities. Just gathering and going, that is one part. As Suresh used to tell, hey, FME jolly, and sugar, na saakna idu needana will content. So, idella irunda kuda, if it is there also, we have some social outlook. So, if possible, I am not telling you have to do it. If possible, think over it. It is up to you all. You think over it in the coming days. Let us see. Something has to be done to the KGF students. Even if it is not a BJML student. So yeah, supposed to say something.
Come on. First and foremost, I would like to thank all our classmates who have given me all the best wishes, the lovely wishes on my birthday today. And I've been loaded with a lot of wishes.
Write a book on this one. I don't know who. No, I can also make some points. If you are joined together, we can bring out a small note on 79 batch, we can make it. So then put your memory, we can make it. So that can, next year we can publish it. Or subsequent year, like that we can plan it.
Good idea. Good idea.
Good idea. So please think about that one. Collect the photos, collect your memories, write it. Whenever you get something comes to your mind, write it, we can make it.
So in fact, that's a very good idea. Each person can send something and then it will become a compilation.
Collectively, everybody collect some old photos, you know?
Yeah, whatever it is, photos, memories,
together,
and then we can chronicle it, put it together.
That we can do, I think. So with this suggestion, once again I thank Narayan for doing a very excellent service to us. And we cannot forget Narayan also. And Narayan is also very liberal. Our developer. He is not bothered with anything. So he has taken a lot of interest. And he never bothered for anything. He said, our friends are coming after 46 years. We have to see that event becomes a remarkable. We have to see that this event is enjoyed by everyone. Like that he was telling. And now so many new suggestions, new ideas are coming up. Let us see the KGF is our plan where it has given the meeting to us. We see that out of this one I want to tell one point. The closure of BGM, because we have related to BGML, I want to tell them. The closure of BGML has left the KGF a very big shock in socio-economic condition of the mining sector. It has become very so pathetic that their livelihood is a very question mark now also. In that situation, the mines is reopened, it is not reopened. Some kind of activity should come there where an employment generation can be made. So that thing is going on for last 25 years, nothing has happened. So our gap is 46 years. So we were studying when the mines was running in a very good condition. Everything was to get now. So in this situation, somehow we have some ability to support. We have some capacity to support. In that way, we can end this today's gathering. I feel it. With this suggestion, I can end this. If anyone have something, you can tell. Now I request our Narayan to share with the point.
One minute.
No, I'm just checking whether it is.
Guys, in case anybody wants to start a new venture, why don't you do it here? And give job opportunities for many people.
Yes, that's all.
That can be done.
Yeah, yeah. KGF as the location, you mean?
Yes.
No,
Hmm.
plan it. No.
See, supposing somebody wants, is thinking someday I'll start a unit, then if you you give first preference to KGF, that instead of going somewhere else. That is what he meant.
Yes, yes, correct. So you can think over it. I am not telling.
Yeah, yeah,
You think over it.
If you have plans outside, do it in KGF. No, I'm just planting a seed. Correct. That is
Yeah, good suggestion.
See, we can do one more thing. We got lot of doctors also. We can do some monthly medical camps also here also. Somewhere in this village or somewhere in KGF, where really needy persons can be. Doctors.
Carrying on live recording. I want you to just explain about the emblem. The emblem.
Ah.
They asked me what is all that.
Okay. See,
KGF school, come on. What about school here? Maybe your class, but you are the
I think you are not given a t-shirt.
Now, you வந்து cricket manager மாதிரி இப்போ.
Expert comment.
Thank you.
just hold it like that. Hey, उल्टा 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 उल्टा
Ramchandra is used to
wait, just hold it. I'll zoom it.
ಅಪ್ಪೇ ಬೇಕಿರುತ್ತೆ.